afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. I'm Mary Jessica Clayton. I'm assigned for drama of historical interest. Drama of historical interest likely refers to the genre of films, TV shows, or plays that are in specific historical time frame and often feature fictionalized stories or character within historical context. This drama can explore this like historical events, cultural movements, or lives of notable figures and often aim to educate or shed light on the past while entertaining audience. Drama of historical interest means mga kanang kanang mga klase-klase mga gusto nato, for example, then mga historic mga kailangan ko mabalik-balikan bitaw nga mga salida o atong mga plays. Then one is the ancient drama. Ancient drama exists in religious ceremonies for worship of different gods. Kanang mga tinuuhan sa una or kanang bisag karon na gamon na example ani kay sa asa pa ni nga sa mga lugar na naado sa ilang kuan. Then ancient drama refers to dramatic work created in ancient world, primarily in Greece and Rome. Nagsugod din siya sa Greece and Rome. It's characterized by formal structure, poetic language, and focus on themes like faith, morality, and human flows often explored through tragedy and comedy. So, kung si Jack kanina, drama is mga sinauna gagawin ka ng pang-Ginoo, pang mga, di ba kay different gods sa una kay mga
para sa Greek methodology.
Oo, mga ingana ang ancient. Then siguro pa, tapos mga tragedy, hanap na ang tragedy and comedy. So, matanan din sa ang ancient drama, ang panangkuan, mga galanlain, mas naka-specific siya kay kanang true gods. Example ani is Oedipus Rex by Sophocles, a classic Greek tragedy written in 5th century before Christ era. Sa mga panahon pa ni Christ, then it tells the story King Oedipus of Thebes who unwittingly fulfills prophecy. Kanina salida is kanang na itong prophecy nga siya ang maging king o siya ang maging hari. Then that king will kill his father and marry his mother. Tapos prophecy niya nga pagdo ni Jaya papa para makaslan niya iyang mama. Morning konsa, morning ang Oedipus Rex. Kibali ang prophecy niya iyang
Para mahari si Jana patron ni Papa na prophecy.
Ang iyang sa pilan iyang kapalaran o iyang bitaw kinabuhi. Ingana iyang kapalaran mapatay ni iyang papa para maging king si Jaya. Iyang maminyuan iyang makasal iyang mama. Then leading the disastrous consequences, they play sport theme of faith, tadhana, free will, and tragic downfall, making it one of the most studied and performed drama from antiquity. So, ang ila kay, di ba kaya sa una is, so gods man sila, no? Gikan sila sa isa ka family para ma-stay ang katong pagkaking nasa ilang, na para sa ilang ng pamilya, kung mapatay man ang iyang papa o pagdun niyang papa, ma-assure nila nga ang making sunod naragapon sa ilang kuan nasa ng family nila po. Muna iyang story. In medieval drama,
Harapan.
Then, ano na sila sa biblical bitaw, ilang ginapalo, mga na ilang tema. Then, ang example ano is the Everyone, a morality play written in late 15th century. Everyone is an analytical drama that teaches a Christian moral lesson. The main character, Everyone, represents all humanity and summoned by death to give an account of his life. He is the companions of his journey, but only God, good deeds remain to him in the end. Emphasize the importance of living virtuous life. Everyman means kada tao na ikuan, di ba na mabasa natin na sa Bible. Every tao is na reason nganong nabuhi dito sa kalibutan. So, even though natay na buhat na mali, pero nag-remain niya ako ng iyang mga good deed. So, mga maayong mga binuhat niya. Then, nagpaano si Janag, iyang moral play is for biblical literature. Then, Renaissance drama. During this period, the Greek and Roman were dramatic, culminated in Italy, France, Germany, and England. Mass and costumes also become popular. Renaissance drama refers to theatrical performance and dramatic literature produced during the Renaissance period in Europe. Roughly from the 4th to the 17th century, is characterized by the shift away from religious themes from Middle Age toward greater emphasis on humanism, realism, and exploration of human emotion and behavior. Petrarch was one of the eminent writers of the Renaissance period. He is known as the father of Renaissance. Renaissance means reality na siya. Reality o ganang pang humanism na gano'n ang iyang tema. Kung kasi nakita nato karon mo ilang i-play. Then ang ilang kuan is for exploration of human emotions and behavior. Example is Hamlet by William Shakespeare, written by 1600s. Hamlet studied that explored themes of revenge, madness, political intrigue, and the complexity of human emotion. It tells story friends Hamlet of Denmark to seek the avenge his father's murder from his uncle now king. So, kanina nga salida ay kanina place is all about na siya politic kay reality kay gipatay ang iyang papa. So, para bitaw sa politika, para sa politics. So, kanina salida is all about sa kaning pag-revenge niya para sa iyang papa. Then, modern drama is during the last 2 decades of 19th century and half of 20th century that witnessed a great variety of trends in the stage play: romantic fantasy, symbolism, expressionism, impressionism, comedy, and poetic drama, reached new heights during this period. Modern drama is kaning mga kuan na nanadiri ang fantasy, mga romantic, nagsabog-sabog na siya, din nana ang comedy, kay glass, katong mga padyo, pa man ang comedy, poetic drama, nanadiri ang. Tapos, narap na ang impressionism, kanang i-impress niya kung saan yung gusto i-impress dito sa kanang kwanta drama. Example for this is A Dull House of Ingrid Ibsen, first performed by 1879. This play, groundbreaking work of modern realism that created 19th century marriage norms and gender roles. It followed Nora, a woman who realized she has been living in a metaphoric doll's house